For this recipe, we'll be making a Hawaiian plate lunch style macaroni salad. I'll also be sharing restaurant secrets that will make for the best tasting creamiest mac salad. We'll start with a 3/4 pot of salted water. Once the water is boiling, we'll add in our elbow macaroni. Stir the macaroni so it doesn't stick together or burn on the bottom of the pot. Usually, for pasta, recipes will tell you to cook until al dente, which means firm to the bite, about 10 to 15 minutes. But a secret that I learned from a popular Hawaii restaurant is to overcook the macaroni. They did this for two reasons. One was to prevent the macaroni from drying out. When you don't cook macaroni as thoroughly, it'll suck up the mayonnaise and cause it to dry out. Secondly, it was so that the recipe would yield more portions. Overcooking the macaroni would take on more water weight and require less mayonnaise, which in turn costs less. After 10 minutes of cooking, this is the macaroni, which is about al dente. We'll cook it further. As you can see here, at around 20 minutes, the macaroni has absorbed more water. You can cook it even further through 25 to 30 minutes if you prefer, but we'll strain it and cool it down at this point. Now, the number one secret to making Hawaii's best macaroni salad is to use the Best Foods brand mayonnaise, nothing else. Other brands tend to be a bit more on the sour side, but Best Foods mayo is the best for this style of Hawaiian plate lunch macaroni salad. A restaurant that I used to work in strictly only used Best Foods mayo for the mac salad. Mix all ingredients together and enjoy. Now that you know the secrets to making the best mac salad, be sure to like and subscribe for even more secret recipes I'll be sharing.